I'm Josh Ford.
I'm Colin Strege.
And I'm Andrew Hestragan.
And we are the Boys.
And today we'll be teaching you about fading.
Fading.
Fading
Of dyes. First you must understand a Beer's law plot. A Beer's law plot helps us determine a relationship between the concentration and the absorbance of our dye.
A spectrometer should be used to determine the absorbances of known concentrations of dye solutions. These values can help create a Beer's law plot.
The Beer's law equation produced by the trend line allows us to translate all future data from absorbances to concentrations.
Next, we'll be talking about rate law. This is the rate law. First, the rate of change is the change in concentration over a predetermined time period.
K represents the rate constant, which determines the speed of the reaction.
Let's talk about orders. Orders show us how each of the individual reactants affects the overall rate of the reaction.
First, there is zeroth order. Much like a missed basketball shot, zeroth order contributes nothing to the overall rate of the reaction. Zeroth order is determined by plotting concentration versus time and achieving an R-squared value of nearly 1.
Next, there is first order. First order is like a free throw because it's worth 1. A first order reaction is determined by graphing the natural log of the concentration versus time and achieving an R-squared value of nearly 1.
A second order reaction is much like a layup in that it contributes 2 times the overall power of the rate of the reaction. A second order reaction is determined by graphing 1 over the concentration of the reactant versus time and achieving an R-squared value of nearly 1. In our experiment, we altered the pH of the buffers used, the temperature, and we added bleach to see how these changes affected the fading of the blue dye.
Our data showed that the altering of the pH of the buffers used and changing the temperature had no effect on the overall rate of the reaction.
When bleach was added to the reaction, we noted that both the bleach and the dye solution were of the first order.
Hey, bleach tastes like carrots.
And that's how you fade.